Now push it all the way in and see if it'll go all the way in, and look on the other, mash the blue button if you want it to stop, and see how far you got. And let's see on the other side, did it even make an indentation? Let's see. Yeah. It did? Alright, what on this side? It did not make an indentation. You're going to have to really show some force. You have to press down. Oh, let's see. 1, 2, 3, and we'll see if that works. And all right, now be sure and.
I'm gonna do 2. That's a little fast.
All right, now let's give the audience a good look. There we go. All the way, big push. Big push, yeah. Okay, let's see if it made an indentation on the other side.
Okay.
Oh, it did. Now, flip it and drill it from the other side. And just snatch it out. There you go. Alright. And let's let our audience see what we're doing. Let's let our audience see what we're doing. If you need to hold on to it, yeah, that's fine. Big push, big push. Big push. Alright, let's pull it out. Let's see if it made an indentation on the other side. Did it?
Yep.
Let's let the audience see. Well, alright. Yep, we got a little bump. Alright.
I'm just going to hold it.
Yeah, yeah. Uh-oh.
The flowers will cover it.
Okay, yeah. Big push. Alright, big push. Hold it, push. Very good. Now let's flip it to the other side. Okay. Good job, Audrey. Whoopsie.
I think we got that far.
Lovey, what do you think? What do you think? You think this is a big deal? It is a big deal. All right.
I got that 4, 3.
Is it doing? Okay. Now what?
Nothing.
Okay.
I just
All right, no.
can't see through it.
Okay. Be careful.
Yeah, now we can.
Now you can? Okay.
Yeah.
All right, that's good. Okay, now you're painting.
The little bumps I made.
Okay.